Welcome back, everybody. Tonight I am working on a Derby rear brake cable hookup. I got a special request from somebody asking for some photos on how the brake was hooked up, and I figured I could just quickly make a video. This episode is brought to you by Capital One Quicksilver. It's a great zero-fee card. The first year is interest-free, and if you spend $500 in the first 3 months, you get $200 cash back. I have a link in the description below. Please use that link, sign up, get that great card, get that promotion, and buy a bunch of dose cycle parts or maybe some treats. Alright, let's get started. First things first, this is an older cable that we are reusing, and it's not stiff, but it's not great, so I want to lube it up. This is a little Motion Pro cable oiler, and it's super easy to use. You literally just stick it in like this, tighten these down, take something like WD-40 with a hose, and fill it up. Okay? If you can see, there's a little puddle on the bottom. That means the oil went all the way through. Now we can take it apart and clean it up a little. Okay. Wipe it down. Alright. I always like to connect the brake lever first, then you can set the back easier. This is not the correct position. I'm just using it as an example. You take the NARP end, you slide it in, you push this end in, and then you pull on this end. Now we can do the rear. The back is pretty easy. First thing you want to do is remove this if it's on there. It's probably not on there because you took the cable off. Slide your cable through here like so, and then this part goes right through there, and then this piece screws on. Now that we have the brake lever in the front hooked up, we can adjust the rear. Push it all the way forward and tighten this all the way down. Once it's all the way tightened down, I like to back it off a little and check the brake lever. This is me pulling the brake lever. I like a little more brake travel, so I'm going to loosen it a little. Alright, that seems perfect. Alright everyone, that's how easy it is to hook up the rear brake cable on a Derby. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Help me get to 1,000. I am almost there.